Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize Contact Form 7 with Elementor. This is a powerful combination that lets you build professional-looking contact forms on your WordPress site while having complete control over their design and layout. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Plugins and click on Add Plugin. In the search field, type Contact Form 7. This is one of the most popular form plugins for WordPress, and it integrates seamlessly with Elementor. Since I've already downloaded Contact Form 7, I'm going to show you exactly how to install it. Once you see the plugin in the results, click Install Now. After the installation completes, make sure to click Activate. This enables the plugin on your site and prepares it for use with your pages. Now that Contact Form 7 is active, head over to Pages in your WordPress dashboard, click on Add Page to create a new page where your contact form will live. Once the page is created, click Edit with Elementor. This opens up the Elementor editor, which is where you'll have full design control over how your form appears. In the Elementor editor, look for the widget search field on the left side panel. Type Contact Form 7 into the search bar and click on the widget when it appears. This will add the Contact Form 7 widget to your page. Now you're ready to start customizing. In the Content tab, you'll see options for choosing different form styles. Browse through the submenu to see what's available. These preset styles can save you time and give your form a polished look right from the start. Next, click on the Contact Form dropdown and select Contact Form 1. This is the default form that Contact Form 7 creates when you first install it, and it's a great starting point for most basic contact needs. Now switch over to the Style tab. This is where the real customization begins. Look for the alignment option and choose your preferred alignment from the submenu. Whether you want your form centered, left-aligned, or right-aligned, this setting controls how it sits on your page. You can also change the background type by clicking on the color option and selecting from the submenu. This lets you add colors or even gradients behind your form to make it stand out visually. Finally, adjust the padding and margin settings. Padding controls the space inside the form elements, while margin controls the space around the form itself. Play with these values until your form feels balanced and well-spaced on the page. And there you have it. You've successfully customized Contact Form 7 using Elementor, giving you a contact form that not only functions well but also matches your site's design perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.